Hi there, students. Periodic, an adjective. Periodically, an adverb. Period, a noun, a countable noun. So if something happens periodically, it happens from time to time. So my uncle comes to visit us periodically, from time to time. Yeah? If something is periodic, this is saying that it has repeated cycles. It recurs at regular intervals. So periodically I decide to clean my car, or periodically I change the oil in my car. Okay, so periodically is something that happens from time to time. Yeah, and maybe you could have a sine wave. This is a periodic function. It does the same thing over time. So a periodical, this is a newspaper or something that is printed. Yeah, it's a publication, but not normally a daily. So a daily newspaper, the Times, for example. But a periodical is something that is published regularly, particularly a magazine or something like that. It could be published once a week, and these are periodicals. So the newspaper stand sells newspapers and periodicals. Periodicals, things that are published from time to time. So, a period of time. Yeah, there was a period of relaxation. Yeah, there was a period of confusion. Yeah, the period between the wars was there was a great change in society. A period, a full stop, a period drama, where everything is dressed and set in a point in the past, in history. A period, a lady's menstruation as well, but a period of time. In many games, particularly ice hockey, there are 3 periods. Yeah. Okay, so periodic, yeah, something that happens from time to time. Yeah, something that happens repeatedly over time. So he suffers from periodic episodes of depression. Yeah, something that happens from time to time, very often repeatedly in a fixed pattern. Yeah, so something that happens periodically again and again, but not necessarily very frequently. Yeah, periodic oscillation. I'm actually thinking a pendulum swings backwards and forwards, and the period is the time it takes to make one full swing. Yeah, that's the period of time, because it moves periodically from side to side. Okay, so periodic, appearing at intervals, regular, recurrent, recurring, repeated intervals. So he made the headmaster made periodic visits to each of the classes in order to see what was happening. Yeah. Okay, so cyclic, something that happens at regular intervals. It's something that is repeated from time to time. So periodic maintenance checks take place. Yeah, these are regular, these are recurrent, they happen again and again, recurring at regular intervals, intermittent. Okay, with a particular repeated cycle. So enough. Oh, well, I've got to do the formality. Periodically. A periodical magazine, 6 in formality. Periodically he comes to see us. 5.5 in formality. I think you could use these words anywhere, although they are a touch on the more formal side. And then, as to origin, Okay, these come from a medieval Latin periodus, yeah, from ancient Greek periodus, a circuit, an interval of time, a path round, peri around, and hodos away. So it's like a circuit around something, and that's the idea of a period. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Periodically, periodical, periodic, period.